what is the secret code of the entire universe? Why I am saying so? Why the world looks like the way it looks? Why the universe works the way it works? In unison. Our great master Krishna reveals its secret. You have a carpet at your home, and there's a beautiful pattern on the front of the carpet. And on the back, they are the simple threads. And then who did it? The weaver, the carpet weaver, did it. And that carpet weaver is unseen in the beautiful carpet in the front and the back. The front with universe of colors and beauty is the lower nature of that divine. It is known as the Apara Prakriti. And what is the higher nature? It is known as the Para Prakriti. It is Para Prakriti is consciousness, it's a life-giving principle. It is the individual's soul, the spark of life that pervades and sustains this entire universe. It is the intelligence. Intelligence, pure consciousness, more or less, they go together. But how the lower and the higher nature are together, the way the front of the carpet and the back of the carpet. So the Krishna gives a metaphor. There is nothing whatsoever higher than me, means that pure consciousness. All this is strung on me, pure consciousness, is the clusters of gems on a string. What it means? You are the gem. Your friends are the gem. Your relations are the gem. The trees and the stars and divine is invisible, unseen, holding all of them together.